Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss some SAT maths questions. There are various types of methods to solve different type of questions. So we are going to use some different methods so that you will be able to know where you have to use traditional method to solve question, where you have to use estimation, where you have to use elimination method. So let's get started with the very first question. The state fair sells food coupons for $2 each, ride coupons for 3 each. First of all, what you have to do, you have to learn what the given information is. You have to learn what the given information is. And then you have to learn, or then you have to focus what the question is asking you. So State Fair sells food coupons for $2 each and ride coupons for $3 each. If Marlon wants to buy at least 15 coupons and spend no more than 40, what is the largest number of ride coupons he can buy? So the given information is that there are food coupons, there are ride coupons. And food coupons worth that is $2 and ride coupon worth that is $3, and the total spending that should not be more than 40, like it should be equivalent to 40 only. So what we have to do, we have to find the ride coupons he can buy. So what we are going to do here, we are going to pick numbers or pick options that are given here, pick options that are given A, B, C, D. So if we are going with the largest number, like D option, we have to put there. So if the ride coupons are 12 and the total coupons that are 15, then how many coupons for the food? That would be obviously 3. So we are going to put the value here and check. Is it like equivalent to 40? No. It is more than 40, that is 42. So D option, that is not correct. So let's move ahead with 11. So here we are going to, if ride coupons are 11, then obviously food coupons that would be 4. So if we are going to put here, that is 2 multiply 4 plus 3 multiply 11, that is 8 plus 33, that is obviously more than 40. That is more than 40. So this option is also eliminated. So now we are going to move ahead with the B option, that is 10. So here we are going to put the values. So just here, if food coupons are 10, sorry, ride coupons are 10, then food coupons that would be 5. So that is totally equivalent to 40. So B option is correct. So what we are going to do in these type of questions, there would be some options. We are going to solve the options by back solving. We are going to put those options and hidden trial method. So here this question is solved. Now move to the next question. Next question is, Lourdes is hiking up a mountain trail that starts at an elevation of 225 feet. So there is one person who is hiking up a mountain trail that start an elevation of 225 feet. So that is initial elevation, that is 225 feet. As Lourdes hikes, she increases her elevation at a constant rate of 83 feet per minute. For example, if there are here x-axis that is corresponding to minutes and here that is total elevation. So if she is starting like this is 200, 250 and here 2 minutes, 4 minutes, 6 minutes. So she is starting from like 225. The constant rate that she is hiking, that is 83 feet per minute. So what we have to find, that is Lourdes elevation in feet m minutes after she starts hiking up the mountain. So we have to find this elevation. So if you have initial elevation, you have constant rate, that is 83 feet, and that is also per minute. So you can use this formula in these type of questions, that is total elevation. Total elevation, that would be equal to rate minute, you can say that is time. Here time is measured in minute, time, plus initial elevation. So what is the constant rate here? That is 83. Time is measured into minutes. Initial elevation, that is equal to 25. So elevation, that would be 83 m plus 225 m. So here we have used a traditional method to solve questions. So that is A. Now let's move ahead with the third question, that is quite easy. If 7 upon A is equal to 35, what is the value of A? So here what we are going to do, we are going to take denominator as 1 and cross multiply the values. 7 equal to 35 A, 7 up here 35 is multiplied with A, 7 divided by 35, that is equal to A, that would be 0.2. So here D option, that is correct. Now the fourth question is, which of the following represent all the possible values of x that satisfies the equation above? This is the equation that is given. Which of the following represent all the possible, what are the possible values of x that satisfy equation above? So what we are going to do here, we have two options. We can use a traditional method, we can just cross multiply and find the values, or we can put every value, we can put every options given in the equation. That would be quite a like long process. So what we are going to do, we are going to use traditional method for the solving equations. So 6x cross multiply 6x, 3x multiply by x minus 4, 6x is equal to 3x square. When we multiply 3x by x powers, that would be in addition by the formula am multiply an, that is equal to am plus n, minus 12x, 3x square minus 12x minus 6x is equal to 0. When we take one identity from the left to right, the sign that would be changed. 3x minus 18x equal to 0. Here we are going to take 3x common, x minus 6 equal to 0. So we have these identities 3x equal to 0 or either x minus 6 equal to 0. So x equal to 6 and x equal to 0. So the option D, that would be correct. So for these type of question, you have to be proficient in quadratic equations. You should be aware that how you are going to take one value from the left side to the right side. Now move ahead with the next question. Which of the following is equivalent to the expression? This is a question. Which of the following is equivalent to the expression above for x greater than 1 by 3? They are asking, you have one expression that is actually equal to these four expressions that are given a, b, c, d. That is actually replicated by these four expressions. But for what value? That is x greater than 1 by 3. So here we are going to pick any number. We are going to use the strategies picking number. X greater than 1 by 3, that we can take x equal to 2. That is obviously greater than 1 by 3. And we are going to put here 2, 3 multiply by 2 minus 1 plus 4. That is equivalent to 2, 6 minus 1 plus 4, 2 by 5 plus 4. We are going to take LCM here. That is 22 by 5. So now we have to put the same x equal to 2 in all the expression and check either the value is 22 by 5 or not. If we are going to put x equal to 2, because they are asking that for some value that is greater than 1 by 3, any one expression from these four options should be equivalent to this expression. So here we are going to put in the very first option 8 plus 3, 6 minus 1, that is 11 by 5. Okay, this option is not correct. 8 by 2 plus 3, 3 multiply 2 minus 1, 16 plus 3, 19. No, this option is also not correct. So move to the C and D option. 12 multiply 2 minus 2, 3 multiply 2 minus 1, that is 24 minus 2, 6 minus 1, 22 by 5. Yes. So D option is already eliminated. So